Yeah, good morning, everybody. Managed to get Zoom working. Wednesday, 2nd of August. Complex low pressure system over the top of us, making it pretty much unflyable for most of the day. And yeah, lots of fronts and wind all circulating around us. Yeah, you'd expect this sort of picture again in autumn. There is some talk, though, that this area of high pressure that you see out over the Azores, this is looking at the end of the week. Next week that might move in. So there is yet hope that summer may return. Better tomorrow and Friday. But yeah, today looking pretty rubbish, if I'm honest. The winds at heights, pretty strong actually. If I bring up those, you'll see that we have, well, it says 45 knots on the south coast and 5 knots in the middle of the country. That shows a very steep pressure gradient. Yeah, if you want a wind gradient, that's not the day to fly. So yeah, keep an idea on that. Satellite picture, well, it brightens up. It sort of closes in. Looks like yeah, we just had a few showers come through, but yeah, weather's going to move quite quickly today. And you can see it sort of circling around over the Irish Sea at the minute. The public forecast showing, what is it showing? It's showing rain for pretty much most of the day. Thunderstorm potential this afternoon, but I always say that's a bit on the pessimistic side. And how accurate are we? Well, I hope you're a bit more accurate next week. Yeah, the visibility is mixed throughout the day, and yeah, we won't see gusts of more than about 30 knots, hopefully at Lasham, but still quite unseasonably windy and wet for this time of year. But what's new? But yeah, looking ahead, it looks like Saturday's not going to be very good for the first day of the comp, but then it does pick up, so there is still yet hope. Top temperature today of around sort of 15 or 16 degrees, so pretty average actually. And dew points probably very similar, 13 degrees, given how sort of moist this air mass is. Currently at Lasham with a temperature of 14 and dew point of 12. OGM are currently reporting just sort of 5 kilometers in rain, quite low pressure, 988 hectopascals. And as you can see there, mixed cloud and whatnot, pretty much for the full day. And if I look at the latest TAF from Farnborough, yeah, you can see how for most of the day you've got sort of rain showers and very mixed conditions. So yeah, not looking particularly flyable. I won't cover NOTAMs today, as if we did go flying at any point, we'd only be remaining in the circuit, and there is nothing to affect flying the circuits. If for some reason you have managed to get your IMC rating and installed some runway lights at Lasham, then you will be needing to do your own NOTAM brief. So yes, operationally today, we would have to see what happens at the time. But one thing that we are working on today, there's some runway works in this area, which are happening, so that the runway's out of bounds in that area till 12 o'clock, and no powered traffic is to depart in this direction. Whilst that is happening, it's not allowed. So it'd be runway 23 really if we did go flying, but I think chances of that are slim. But hey, if you're at the airfield and we suddenly see that the weather's decided to change a bit, then we'll take consideration. But yeah, bring a brolly. We've already had one jet movement today at 8:30. There'll be another one at about just after 12 o'clock. So yeah, simulator will be available, and if you want to do any theory exams, it's a good time to do it as well. So yeah, just contact Sam or myself. We'll see you hopefully on a slightly drier day. Bye for now.